level up your Deathrun and Obbies with instant respawn checkpoints. I have a WOP where I teach you how to create your own maps, and a Patreon where you can buy some pre-built things too. Subscribing to the WOP gives you access to me as well, get advice, tips on making your maps better. I also have an affiliate link to Map Academy, premium service where you get access to lots of scripts such as roguelike, tycoons, box PvP, the whole lot. Without further ado, let's get into the video. To start off with, come over into my Discord and I will put this in the free stuff section. Once you've downloaded this script, go ahead and find it in your downloads. Go into your Fortnite projects, find your content browser and paste it in here. Once you've pasted it, click verse and then build your verse code. Now that you have your checkpoint respawn manager in the game, you're going to need to link up every single checkpoint in order. The order actually doesn't matter so much, but just make sure that you link every single checkpoint pad. In elimination manager, you're going to go ahead and put down an elimination manager. Click on all and just type in elimination manager. Drag that onto your play space and just turn on valid on self elimination and link that up just like so. Respawn delay is how fast you want the player to respawn. You can have this anywhere you want. I'm pretty sure the lowest with like an instant respawn would be 0.1, but depending on where you want it, you can change it around. For example, if you want 1 second, you can put it to 1. For this to work, it uses a float, so you do need to have it as a point something, but it does that for you itself. So hopefully this was useful. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and remember to look at those links as well.